YouTube, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, if you're coming back, please push the like button, thumbs up. And y'all guys, I'm gonna get into the video with my new camera. We're gonna share you guys the camera that I have gotten for vlogging and everything, and it's great, and it's nails and but I got this little Polaroid camera. It's a Polaroid wave camera. This is what it is, you guys. And I paid about $69. I paid $69.99 for it. It comes with a little case on it, and then I got my SheIn packages. I got this, and I got this already. My packages just came as soon as I was about to go smoke. I knew it was on the way, but I don't think my tracking device is like updated correctly, properly. I don't know. Yeah, these are from SheIn, and it comes with a little case. Got my wood rolled. I showed y'all the microphone. For the last one. I want to try to use it right now. So, I don't know. I got the microphone in my shirt. I don't know, but come. What I want to show y'all? Alright, let's get into the video. Stop being shit. I'm gonna get into this package. I don't know what's in there. I hope it's something good. I'm going to the jelly rancher, pick off my phone. Yeah, get into that. I'm gonna see the difference between the microphone and without the microphone. And if there is a difference or not. And if there's not a difference, and if there is a difference. Just know. So since I showed y'all my camera, and I didn't get that camera from SheIn, I had got the camera from, you can get it from Best Buy, you can get it from Walmart, or you can get it from Target, and it depends on the Walmart, so you have to look up on the website. But I found it in my local pawn shop, and yeah, I lucked out with that one. It was so beautiful too. And my favorite color is orange, you guys, so an orange camera. It's cute. So this is the stand I'm working with. I had got this, and that's what I was just talking about. I love this stand. Oh my goodness. Lord, thank you so much, Heavenly Father. So I had got this stand from Walmart last night, and it was $10 after tax. It was $10.80, and it's a 5'5" stretch, and that's the brand. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open these up for you guys. Oh, that's the size. Y'all see that? It's medium. Because I'm hoping what I got was a medium. It's a stretchy, and it's sparkly. Very sparkly. I love this one. This is so cute. And then y'all look at my bracelet. So I feel like it complements my bracelet for real. It's really cute. So I really like it. This one is silvery compared to this one and this one. You can tell the difference. Yeah. But they came together. And I don't know, this was, honestly, this was this was $2 probably. I think it was like $2 or $3. This one was $1. This one was $1 from SheIn, and it's a medium as well. Size on there. I got this one because I think the watch that I got, the little smart watch that I got, It's because I had ordered a smartwatch from SheIn. Hopefully it's in one of these little packages. God, I know it will be. But this is really cute. I really like this. Look at it, y'all. It's cute, little pink. Yes, it's real cute. It's giving. It's like, yeah, look case. We vlogging. No, yeah. I got hyped. We vlogging. Make sure y'all comment, like, subscribe. Subscribe. Stay tuned. I'm coming. Back to you. Y'all say hi, Lacey. Come here, baby. Because we got Lacey some stuff, too. So Lacey's going to be in the video today. Yeah, mama. So I'm going to show y'all Lacey's old color. You can see it. We have a box. I was going to open something else, but I'm going to open the box first. So let's see what's in the box. It feels like... Lord, thank you, Jesus. Y'all. Another one. Thank you. Oh, that is so cute, y'all. Look at the box. Look at the box. Okay, so they did not have the option of green on there, but okay. The options were definitely this color with the darker this color. But it was no green involved. I would have got green, but we're seeing a lot of green lately, though. That green is cute. I would have got that green. Anyways, I'm glad I got pink. I got pink. This camera, you guys, was 11. Oh, and it says children. I got it from SheIn, y'all. They sell children's. They sell, men's stuff on SheIn. They sell children's stuff, pet stuff on SheIn. They sell teenager and adult, adult women stuff, So, yeah, but this was 11. It said 12.12 after taxes. So it was 12.12 after taxes, but it was 11 something. And we're gonna get into it. Let's see. I want to look at the box, you guys. The box looks so cute. Alright, we're gonna open it. Let's get into it. Oh, yeah. Talk about mini, y'all. About mini, you guys. So it comes with this. But I'm gonna end up putting this on my camera. My camera's over there. I'm gonna end up putting this on my camera because my camera needs it more than this needs it. But this is a small camera, y'all. But yeah. I don't know. I may put this on here. I don't know. But y'all want to see it? Oh, shoot. I should have took the charger out. This is the charger that comes with it. So, this is the camera. I'm going to show you in the box. It's cute in the box. This is the camera. Guys. Oh, yeah. It's cute. It's so small. This is what it looks like when I turn it on. You can't really see. But it's cute. I'm gonna play with it later. I definitely don't film it now. Oh, it says bye-bye. That's cute. It's so cute. It needs, if I'm not mistaken, it comes with a little instruction book. But I'm gonna go ahead and use this for, yeah, because this is like really small. But there's the little charging port and the little I think indicator that it's charging. And then you got your volume on here for the sound. Okay, nice. SheIn. I'll let y'all know how this works, of course. But I'm finna go and put this up in here. Get it on popping on me. I don't know why people not beef with me, guys, but it's cool. But y'all, camera, yo. Photo shoot. Pose, 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 pose. In the photo shoot, you are. Alright, yeah, let's see right here. Okay, so y'all, we got the camera. I got my camera, y'all. I'm so excited about my camera. Like, I'm not even going to, like, kid you not. Excited about my camera. So, I'm gonna try out a little booklet. Oh, I don't know if y'all can see that. Let's see. I can't see that. So, the instructions. Y'all, the instructions are in fucking Japanese. Let me take this off. Put this right here. Right here. I don't know why I make some faces when they get ugly, but yeah. I'm gonna charge it actually. I'm gonna have it on charger. Let it charge. I don't know what it's at right now, but let's see. Because I wanted to tell y'all, me and Lacey are going to be hanging out today. So it looks like me and Lacey are gonna be hanging out today, and it'll be epic vibes. It's gonna be epic vibes. I'm unplugging my phone. This one is really nice. That's what it looks like when it's charging, and it tells you it's with 30% charged. I'm gonna put my phone back on charger because that is not 100% charged, and I'm using my phone to record. I don't know. That was almost 2 weeks, and it felt like forever. SheIn sends you this return slip if you want to return anything. It shows you how you could do that. I know we have to return anything, but I told myself I did have to. I would return it this time. So I ordered y'all the last SheIn haul last night with the lip gloss. I didn't actually like it. So I ordered this. I ordered that. And now you know what's like, really. Like, yeah. That's the color. That's the color. It's concealer. I was gonna open it, but I have to get some. Do all that. I'm not gonna do that right now. It's concealer. Covered in dark spots. But the rest of this, they came in a little bag. It's for my baby, Lacey. Lacey, this your stuff. So, first of all, this is a dot. So I got all of this on the pet side of SheIn. SheIn Pets. So this is for dogs. Dog shoes. This is my first time really buying clothes for nice animal. But it looks like I'm buying clothes for my animal. This is the first time, like, this is the first animal I've ever wanted to just buy clothes for. On some stuff. But I'm using market discussion up. This is gonna be her bag. This is gonna be her little shoe bag. Cause I already got her little bag. I'm gonna get her another bag too. But that's coming. Oh, y'all, excuse me. But yeah, y'all, look at little shoes. And it got the little paw prints on there. Just open it up. See how it feels. See what it's doing. What it's talking about. It's a size 2. My baby. And she's putting them on today. It's the perfect time. Yes, she is. And it's the perfect time today because spring. So yeah, I hadn't fastened her shoe or unbuckled it or not, and yeah, so my baby rocking. She's gonna be rocking these. Yeah. Yeah, stay tuned for the try on. The try on. My baby shoes. My baby. She got a necklace, she got shoes. What else she got? She got a little brown dress. This is her dressy dress. This is the belly. This is the big polka dots on it. And the brown polka dots. Baby, look at your dress. I want to show y'all her reaction, but I get out of me, girl. You scratching me. Ooh. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah. So yeah, you guys. Follow her dress big up. Perfect for springtime. Yeah, get this on SheIn. This was $2. This was $2 with some change. The shoes were, I think the shoes were $1 and some change. If they weren't $2, I think they were $1 and some change. The necklace was about $4 and some change. This was this was $4. And this is the last thing that I've gotten for her so far. She's getting more stuff. Getting more stuff. This is what we're gonna wear today. It is windy, and yeah, I think she'll be pretty fine in this. She looks like she fits this perfectly too. It's so cute, y'all. Look at this. This is what I got for my baby. And then it comes with a little and it's really soft. It's real soft, y'all. It's real soft. So I got this for her. This is gonna be her outfit today. With the shoes. This is gonna be my baby's outfit today when we go out. And then I got her little dress. Last package, you guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited, but I'm like, oh, so soon. But it's cool. I was pretty big and it was busting out the frame already. Yeah, I got my watch. I'm we're gonna do it because I didn't see it yet. So, good old SheIn. At the bit, it be saying, yeah. So yeah, I wanted to show y'all this again. The stuff that I got for myself, because I just did a hot little, my little baby haul. So I got this is what I got for myself, whatever. Yeah, I was gonna bring my camera over here, but I was like, nah. So they did the return slip again, as they should. I got this necklace from SheIn, and I got this one from SheIn too as well. I just wanted to throw that in there. It was in my last jean haul. So I'm gonna check it out. I had to watch. Yeah, look at the box comes in. It's so cute. So excited. Leading a healthy lifestyle. Made in China. And then show the size and stuff on the side. Let's see. Let's do a comparison. Yup, I got it. It fits. It's gonna fit, you guys. And box this bad boy. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys. Bye boys. Bye boys. So this was, how much was this, Erica? How much was this, Erica? This was $12. I have to remember. Because I bought a lot of stuff. It seemed like. This was $12 after tax. It's $12. They have more watches that go all the way up to like $50 on SheIn. But this is it. This is $12. Yeah. I don't know. So this is I'm gonna go ahead and pick you guys up so y'all can kind of see. We're back. We're back. That was the fire line, the smoking line. I said the fire line. That was the smoking line. Mind your motherfucking business. Okay. Yeah. Sage. Anyway, I had to open up the window. Yeah, with a little chore, a little tiny light. I'm just gonna break it out. I've been procrastinating just bringing it out. This is what it look like. That's what the back look like. It's pretty. It's a rose gold. It's like a pink. It's really a pink. Yeah, it's pink. I gotta take the glasses out. Yeah, I need a therapist for real, but that's another story. For another time, mind your business. Judge your mama, don't judge me. Yeah, not me. Anyway, so yeah, this is so cute. Yeah, I got this from SheIn. So you guys, I have to put the sage outside. I want to know what happened to the sage. So I'm gonna take the little plastic off. Looky. It's so cute. Y'all, I am thinking hard and heavy right now. Hard and heavy. I'm not gonna use this right now. I'm gonna actually put the band on right now. I was thinking hard and heavy for real, y'all. But other than that, I'm gonna put that down. Or actually, I'm gonna pop it on a charger and see what's going on with it. Is it charged? What's going on with it? So this is what it looks like when it's charging. Looks nice. So it is gonna have to charge. And I'm finna put a band on. And I put a band on it. And y'all know the band I'm putting on it. Got to. Just cause I can. Why not? But y'all, before that was happening, I was telling y'all, oh, before I put that band on there, it comes with bands in the box as well. And they're cute too. They're gonna get used as well. But I'm not going for this. It's a color, pink is another. I'm a Baltimore loving. Bad motherfucker. Yeah, that's my shit. I don't take shit and buy little bitches like. The time it was a prize. Can't look me in my eyes. You know. Yeah, that was nice, cute. Got the little button on the side. Got the little mic on the side as well. Not bad, y'all. Y'all seen that? But it's pink. Oh. Yeah, I gotta read the manual. I was looking at the reviews on this, and it said that they're kind of difficult to get set up and whatnot. Oh yeah, that's what it looks like when it's on. That's what it looks like as well. That's nice, but I wanted to charge for real. Yeah, I wanted to charge for real. But yeah, y'all. Yeah. So after a million years, I finally got it on. And it's pretty. It's giving. Yeah, I've been waiting for this. Oh, a long time. It ain't come with a manual unless I drop it somewhere. Got it. But yeah. So I had got that little shaking problem down. But this is what it is. And it got padding. I know. It got padding on the side, kind of. Yeah. Got padding on the sides. So this is like the next thing that I got. I got this bag. It's one of them front body bags, y'all. I really needed one of these type of bags. I feel like. Because my bag. But yeah, this is what it is. It has a little zip on the inside. Let me take it off. Take it off. It's like a little X for bed. So it has a little flap right here. Yeah, that's what I was hoping for. I can put my hot sauce right there. Put my hot sauce right there. And I can put my phone, my stand. Oh yeah. I need it fast. Y'all nerdy started putting shit in my bag. That is not a thing. I mean, it's good for me. Just like, long time. My charger. Okay, my charger. Yeah, my chargers. Don't forget about it. Everything I see is like so cool. Like this pouch and then these two pouches right here. And this is hot sauce. This bag is strictly for hot sauce. But yeah, see how I stick my tripod up in there with these two pouches. I gotta keep my phone in one of them, but I don't necessarily have to keep my phone in one of them. Because that's like what's gonna really necessarily happen. So, shit. Some realistic shit. But let me already go ahead and put my little tripod up in there. Because that's gonna be my traveling pod. I'm gonna keep this pod at the house, the one. I'm gonna keep that one at the house. And then y'all know I love it. Awesome. I'm gonna adjust the straps later. And I got my chargers. And like I said, alright, that's cool. Yeah, that was my little bag. Y'all are nerdy started putting shit in my bag. That is not a thing. I mean, that's good for me. Just like, it's not happy. My charger. Okay, my camera charger. Got both my camera chargers. Got my tripod. Yeah, this bag is not the biggest. So you still would have to have like a backpack or something. This is like this pouch, and then these two pouches right here. And this is for hot sauce. But yeah, y'all, I think that was all of the electronics that I got. For real. Yeah, this watch is gonna be fun to play with. And it's cute. It's pink. But yeah, I just got it because I wanted to feel like I had an Apple Watch. No, I really be needing one though. And it's gonna be nifty. You can text on this side. What that. But I'm finna let the help charge and chill. I'm gonna let the help chill and charge. And continue with my SheIn haul. So since I've seen this, I got another one. Hopefully, I got another one. Cause y'all know I'm dedicated to y'all. And showing y'all what the freak going on in my life. Why I'm healing, why I feel like I'm healing. I need to be healed, whatever. But yeah, it's a little mini one as well. But the one that I have is bigger. And I'm glad that I had got that because, oh my god, none of this is going to be this mini. Look how my hand is. Not my hand, I know. I love it though. I'm here for it. Look at it. So yeah. I better act like y'all know. So y'all remember the last one that I had got on SheIn? It's on my last SheIn YouTube haul. If y'all remember the last one that I had, it broke. It didn't make it. It made it probably 2 weeks, if even. If not, no, it made it a week and it broke for real. So you can just like turn it and twist. That's cool. That's cool. You feel me? I don't want to break y'all into too much. But it's gonna fit my phone nice. I'm really impressed by this one. This one was, I think, a little bit more than the other one. I forgot how much this was, but if I do remember, I'll be sure to let y'all know. And then it's a little compact. You can do it like that. That's pretty cool. I'm trying to figure out for real now how to open this. How to open this up. So yeah, guys. This is open. And it's just like a mini. I don't want to say a mini, but it's like a baby brother version of this one. It's a baby version. Maybe better than this one. It's like a travel version of that one that I got. Okay. I like it. And it's so cute. Durable. Yeah, I like it. Like it comes down to, this is definitely going to be the one that I use to that I use when I go out. Just because I like the stick. It's giving. Very much giving. I like it. I like it. I want to see. Maybe not going to put in my camera. My camera could definitely fit. And I could definitely. But next, moving on to the next. And that was it. That was the only thing that was in the box. Y'all, this is the box. So y'all, it's a medium. Let's see what it's giving. Hopefully it's not too medium. Hopefully it's a fitted medium. Let's see. Yeah. I want to show y'all, but this is the end of the video. Please like and comment, subscribe if you enjoyed this. If you want more content, these are the shorts. It's like a big open. If you want more content like this, please like, comment, and subscribe. And you guys just please have a blessed day. I'll be back with y'all later.